Hey guys, and welcome to a new video here. So I just want to tell you that the Ebayomatic plugin and its latest version is not using auction request anymore because the service was discontinued. So it was discontinued a while ago in February, and the plugin is now using the eBay official API to get content. So you will need to add your eBay app ID here in this field. So for this, click here, create an eBay developer account, sign in, and you will go to this page. So from here you need to copy your app ID, which will be displayed here. I removed it so it will be kept secret for me. So copy it from here and paste it in the plugin settings here. Also add your campaign ID from eBay and eBay target country. Click save info and you will be able to run the plugin and to import content. So let's select a keyword. I will show you how to set up an example importing rule. And let's run importing now. Afterwards, we will be able to go to our site and check results. When the green tick appears, importing is done. So here it is. The product is imported from eBay with specifications, images, and everything. So yeah, this is all for today. If you haven't heard of Ebayomatic, I will link it in this video description. If you are Ebayomatic user already, please update the plugin to the latest version and make the changes required in the plugin settings so it will work with the eBay official API and it will continue to function even though the auction request site is no longer available. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.